Why use object destructuring in JavaScript? Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of object properties while coding in JavaScript? If so, you are not alone. Object destructuring is here to simplify your life. This feature allows you to extract specific properties from objects into separate variables, making your code cleaner and easier to read. Introduced in ECMAScript 2015, also known as S6, object destructuring is a game changer in modern JavaScript development. It works with both arrays and objects, but today we will focus on how it benefits working with objects, especially when dealing with complex data structures from application, programming interfaces, or functions. One of the standout advantages of object destructuring is how it makes your code more concise. Instead of repeatedly accessing nested properties, you can extract them directly into meaningful variable names. This not only improves readability, but also reduces the chance of making errors due to typos or incorrect property access. While the performance impact of destructuring is generally minimal, it can significantly boost your efficiency during development. By reducing boilerplate code, you can focus more on the logic of your code rather than getting lost in complex data structures. Another handy feature of destructuring is the ability to set default values for your variables. This is particularly useful when you are working with incomplete data. If certain properties are missing, your code can still function smoothly, avoiding unexpected errors. When it comes to handling nested properties, destructuring shines. It simplifies the process, allowing you to work with complex data structures without getting overwhelmed. This is especially beneficial when you are dealing with responses from APIs that return objects filled with many properties. Destructuring also plays a significant role in function parameters. You can easily extract specific values from complex data passed to functions, making your code cleaner and more manageable. In practical applications, object destructuring is invaluable. For instance, when working with API responses, it helps you extract only the necessary information. This reduces clutter and enhances code clarity. Similarly, when handling function returns, destructuring allows you to directly extract relevant values into variables. Additionally, you can use destructuring to swap the values of to variables without needing a temporary variable. This is a neat trick that simplifies your code even further. To make the most of object destructuring, consider these best practices. Use it when dealing with complex objects or arrays to improve readability. Always set default values for properties that might be missing to ensure your code remains robust. For functions with a small number of mandatory parameters, think about using multiple parameters instead of destructuring. Incorporating object destructuring into your JavaScript workflow can lead to writing more efficient, readable, and maintainable code. This is essential for any web development project you may undertake.